Hi, I'm Ed Robbins with the Tires, Batteries, and Accessories Department, and you're watching a Co-op Minute. A type of wheel that is very popular is your implement wheel or front tractor wheel. You can see a representation of three popular ones here on the table. These are used on everything from hay rakes, balers, tractors, hay disc mowers. Due to the wide range of options tractors and equipment can have, it is important to identify the size and bolt pattern of the wheel before stopping by your local co-op store. You'll need to know the overall diameter of the wheel, the bead seat to bead seat measurement. You'll need to know how many lugs it has, and you'll need to know the bolt circle. All even lug wheels are always measured center hole to center hole going across the pilot. So you want to measure from here to here. On the 5 lug, they are a little trickier to measure because you measure from the center of one hole, skip one, to the furthest edge of the opposing hole. And then when you get into measuring implement wheels, back spacing becomes incredibly important. The way we measure back spacing is from the face of the wheel, where it bolts onto the machine, to the outside lip of the wheel. In most cases, if the tire is not on the wheel, you can lay it down flat, take your tape measure and put it down against the surface, the floor, whatever you have the wheel resting on, and measure up to the bottom side. And then that will tell you what your back spacing is. It is very important to note that because on some wheels, if you put the wrong wheel on a tractor, it will rub the spindle. Be sure to stop in at your local co-op if you have any questions regarding the type of wheel your tractor may have. They can help you with the measuring of the wheel, or they can look at information that you have and we can narrow down what the options may be for your particular piece of equipment and what bolt circle it may have. Thanks again for joining us in this Co-op Minute. Check back next week for more tips.